soon as I move the fucking camera, lightning.
Już?
Are you kidding me? Did you hear that? My thing went off exactly as the lightning and it didn't catch it. Literally.
And that is precisely why I am recording.
On the run, I could just do continuous shoot, but no.
I have a feeling we're going to be completely drenched by the time we get back to the car. I gówno z tego będzie from all these pictures and film.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh. Oh. Right before I hit the button on it. Killed it with the focus.
The wind's starting to pick up a bit. It's about to start raining.